year later than we were supposed to. And we decided to just block them, keep them new, and in a year and a half, 2 years, we sell. We're not even going to rent for the stuff that we couldn't get out. We believe in the long-term potential of Romania and our sectors, and I fully agree with these numbers. Wherever you look, Leo is the opportunities. We think the Leo has done a significant correction, and probably it is trading at its fair value, maybe a little bit below that long term. And from my point of view, the biggest risk is the leadership of the Romanian government and making sure that the opportunities that are out there for Romania, stated for the Romanian people, the structural funds available from the European Union are not lost. That's not lost. Those funds more than cover the setback the economy has suffered. We're here for the long term, and a lot of the times, and I'll say this and I will conclude my answer, I think everybody's familiar with a metric that is used by many people, which is the GDP per capita. So they look at what the country produces, divide by the number of people, and they say this is how wealthy each individual is. But some of the most important things are the ones that we cannot measure. I think Romanian young people, and Romanian people in general, are very creative. They have to be very flexible and very adaptable. So I think the fact that Romania has a 21, 22 million people population, that's a huge resource that's waiting to be tapped. We all have frustrations with hiring people, with finding personnel, with turnover of personnel. We have lovely stories to tell. But in essence, when you have such little unemployment, people were ready to move left, right, etc. I think right now increasing unemployment gives you stability, but the number of people is a tremendous source of wealth for Romania. When you look at the wealth of a country, when you look, for instance, in our country, Greece, that has a lot of sheep, if we increase the number of sheep, we've increased the wealth of the country. But when you look at a country and you look at the number of people, the more people it has, the GDP per capita goes down instead of going up. That's because we as humans have, I think, the wrong framework in this particular direction. I think the 22 million people of Romania and the ones who support their families living abroad are a tremendous source of future growth, and we remain very positive. Thank you for the invitation.